Welcome, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. Today I have an announcement to make. I am going to be gifting two Mother's Day items to two of my subscribers. All right, guys. And what you see is one of those gifts. I am going to be shipping these gifts out probably on Tuesday. And you will definitely get it in time for Mother's Day. So what I have here is a blue rose bear, and I'm gonna get a little closer here so I can turn it around here. You're also going to get these beautiful rose shaped soaps. They're 18 in this packet. There's also a star sequin keychain that goes along with this gift. I'm going to be taking the price tags off. I just had these on because they were in my gift baskets and everything to sell. So I will be taking off the price tags, but I will leave the bow on there. Now I'm going to get the second gift. So one subscriber will get that gift, and then the next gift here will be for the second subscriber. Okay, so this gift here is a multicolored rose bear. And he also has fairy lights on him. And also there is 12 rose-shaped soaps in here. And a little bear with a I love you little sign. Okay, so this is the gift that will go to the second lucky subscriber. Okay, guys, I know you're wondering, okay, what is it going to take to possibly win these gifts? Well, this is what I'm going to do. My husband and I have a lucky 3-digit number. If you like to enter to win, is guess. You can only guess one time. If no one guesses it in the correct order, then I will go to the person that has all three of those numbers right, no matter what order they are in. So the first person that lists these three numbers in the correct order will be our winner. The second winner will be the person that lists these numbers in any order. I think that's the way I'm going to do it. So I think that's a good idea, guys. So the first person that lists these three numbers in the correct order is going to win. And the first person that lists these three numbers in any order will win. All right, guys. Good luck. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.